Alright, I'm just here to quickly test the Hippie Crafter print paint set that just came through, and I want to choose like these four colors. This is rose, purple, titanium white of course, and cold gray. It looks very cool. I really want to try it. So, and I will just test it on a canvas pad and use a straw. I like using straw, I like using fan, I like using palette knife. Everything can work, and let's just do that. I'm not mixing the paint with any pouring medium here because this is already a pre-mixed paint set, so basically you can just directly pour it onto your canvas. So let's see how it goes. Let's just do the regular like lines, very basic stuff. Just pour in some paint. So it looks very good, the texture looks very nice. Let's see, I just need to really, you can actually do it even with your finger, better with the gloves of course, just to make sure all paint goes evenly and nicely all over the surface. Make sure paint go over the edges. It's really important to the paint, and the painting looks nice from all sides. And just take your time to make sure it's even, it's nice. It really affect how your future painting will look like. It's actually easier on the large scale than on a small scale. Make sure there is nowhere you can see the canvas and the like texture of the canvas. It should be all covered with your background color. I'm using white, but your background color can be anything, really anything. As you can see, the paint is really nice. It's like very soft and very fluid. Let's try the colors. first one, the second one, the third one, and here we go. The color, the purple one is beautiful. It's like metallic. Yes, it's metallic purple. It is amazingly beautiful. I love it. I would use probably not directly from the bottle like this. I will still pre-mix it either in a cup or in a bottle next time to see how it goes. And yeah, just pour it from the cup. For me it's more convenient. Now the pink one. And the beautiful gray. Let's see how it looks like. It's like a little bit bluish grayish color. Very nice, very beautiful. I like it too. Okay, so ideally I would like this to be like a very straight line, not like drops. That's why I'm saying, so maybe next time I will pre-mix it in a cup with pouring medium and just pour it from the cup, so it will be just a line, just a straight line like I needed. But so far we're testing it, so it's all good. We are trying to figure it out. Let's blow. Of course, for blowing you can use anything. You can use hair dryer, you can use just your mouth, you can use a straw like I'm using. Any way will work. If you're using, or if you want to use silicone oil and to get some drops, you will absolutely need to pre-mix the paint in a cup and add like 2 drops of silicone oil, and then you will have amazing cells. Okay, let's blow. You see, we can add colors where we missing them a little bit, and I will absolutely add more pink. And please be mindful that it is you who are creating a pattern, so how it's gonna work, it depends on you. What else we can do? If we see something like here, it's a lot of pink color, we can drag it, we can adjust it. We can even use this to adjust the whole painting and how it looks like, and like modify it easily. So that's really what I like about fluid art. It's completely up to you. What are you doing? How are you doing it? Just perfect art. And it's super easy. You see, it didn't take us a lot of time. We were just playing around, figuring out what's going on here, and yeah, it turned out really nice for the first time, I think. But there was a lot of adjustments to do, but really for the first time I like how it turned out. And as I said, make sure all edges are covered. So now I'm going around, making sure all edges are covered. Some of them are naturally covered with paint because it was overflowing the edges, but it's not always the case. So make sure you got it covered. And of course, you can just do a little bit of tilting. We did blowing, which is fine. You can do tilting, which is also fine. You can do whatever you like. Alright, I think all edges are covered. This is what we have in here. I think it's really, really beautiful. Let me show you how it looks like from my perspective. Yes, I think it looks beautiful. Let's see all the details. Yes, amazing. And again, I only used like 4 colors of Hippie Crafter: the metallic purple one, the rose, not metallic, just regular, the cool gray, and of course titanium white as my background color. Yay! I hope you like it.